In this short crypto win rate video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bitbase account. If you want to receive cash back on your trades, I recommend creating a Bitbase account using the link in the description. New users who register through our link will receive a 10% rebate on both spot and futures trading fees on Bitbase. To create an account, we can put in our email, phone number, or go through Google or Apple. We're just going to put in our email. Once you've done that, you can just check off the user agreement and then click next step. Create a password. Next step, complete the puzzle. Next, you'll get a verification code to your email. So just head to your email and copy and paste the code back here, just like this. Next step, and we have created our Bitbase account. The first thing we want to do is check out the KYC requirements. So on the top, hover over this little icon and then click Identity Verification. So we can see right now I am unverified. Clicking on Current Amount Limit, we can see I cannot deposit or withdraw any fiat for cryptocurrency. The deposit limit is nothing, and then we can withdraw up to 500,000 USD per day. If you wanted to be able to deposit fiat or withdraw fiat, you could verify yourself. You can see here, if you did verify, you would have no limit with depositing fiat, and you could withdraw up to 10,000 USD per day. To verify yourself via KYC, you would first put in your country or region. So let's say I'm from Austria. I would then click Verify Now. With the KYC process, you would need photo and video authentication. You would have to add permissions for fiat trading, and the review period would take about 2 days. Completing the process is just personal preference. We can now quickly look at some of the main features on Bitbase. Under Buy Crypto is Quick Buy. Here you can purchase cryptocurrency using regular money, such as Canadian or US dollars. Depending on your location, payment methods may include a debit or credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Beside this is Markets. The Markets page lets you explore cryptocurrencies available on Bitbase. You can view each coin's current price, how much its price has changed, and its recent trading activity. We then have Trade, and under Trade is Spot Trading. You can use the spot market to directly buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current price or at a price you choose. We then have Futures. Under Futures, you can trade perpetual contracts using leverage and open either long or short positions. Beside Futures is TradFi. Here you may find products connected to traditional markets, such as stocks, market indexes, and commodities like gold. We then have Finance and a section called Simple Earn. This section includes Bitbase Earn, where you may be able to earn rewards by holding and supporting selected cryptocurrencies. We can see here, right now the APR on holding USDC is 7.32%, 7.84% for USDT, and 4.43% for BTC. And finally, under Activity, you can find available promotions, welcome rewards, tasks, bonuses, and coupons. That's a nice little quick overview of Bitbase. Now that you have an account, you can explore the platform and choose the features that are right for you. If you want to receive cash back on your trades, you should create a Bitbase account with the link in the description. The link will take you to the sign up page where you can see what deals you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to look through. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.